For question 6c, they've given us an equation of 1 minus sine x, 1 plus cosec x equals to cos x, cot x. 3 lines over here indicates we need to prove one side equals to the other side, and it would be easier to start with the left hand side as is giving us a clear indication of what to do, which is expanding the brackets. So we're going to write left hand side and we're going to expand the brackets, so that's 1, and we're going to times 1 and cosec x, so 1 plus cosec x, and times 1 and minus sine x, so that's minus sine x, and then multiply sine x and cosec x, and as that's minus, that's going to be minus sine x cosec x. Now we can clean this up as 1 plus cosec x minus sine x, and we can clean this up as cosec x we can recognize is the same as 1 over sine x. Therefore, we can write that as sine x times by 1 over sine x, and then these two can cancel out. So now we'd be left with 1 plus cosec x minus sine x, and then minus 1, as these two cancel out. So now the 1 and the 1 cancel out as well, so you're left with cosec x minus sine x. Cosec x is the same as 1 over sine x, and that's the same as minus sine x. And now we can simplify this fraction, this expression, by making the denominator the same, and that would be 1 minus sine squared x over sine x, 1 over sine x minus sine squared x over sine x. That's the same as 1 minus sine squared x over sine x. We did that as the denominators were the same. We could bring them together. This can be simplified as cosec squared x, cos squared x, sorry, cos squared x, as cos squared x equals to 1 minus sine squared x, and that's all over sine x. We then look at what they wanted us to give. That was cos x, cot x. And how could we get cot x? Cot x is the same as cos x over sine x. Well, yes, we can bring this into that, as we can take out a cos x and then write this as this is the same as cos squared x over sine x. And now, as we know, cot x equals to cos x over sine x, we have cos x cot x, and that's giving us our answer of that.